Today, it's best practice to include a roof cover board in your design to maximize the durability and resiliency of your entire roof system. Now, there's several options to choose from, but are all cover boards created equal? Not at all. High-density or HD Polyiso roof cover boards are the only option that combines roof protection with the added benefits of a Polyiso foam core. Guys, what are the benefits?
I'm thinking added R value and better moisture resistance.
Seriously lightweight boards that reduce truckloads by 3 times or more and reduce crane and staging time on the job site.
Easy to handle and simple to cut, even without specialized tools.
Yes, 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 and yes. All these performance advantages in one product that is widely available from more than 40 manufacturing locations throughout the United States and Canada. Out with the old, on with the HD cover board.